Please to read that. It's okay. That's all good. Fuck it. I really don't have any idea how many trades I actually want. Let me just go back to my live. Probably. What? Is that live? Mm, Let me just go back to my live videos. I think that's the first trade. It's tight stop loss got stopped out, and the next trade should have actually should have not stopped, got stopped out. I don't know how it got stopped out. Probably might have break even that trade. That is the reason why. I knocked it out. Yeah, probably. Yeah, that trade was a break even trade. Mm, that trade was a break even trade. This trade was a break even trade. I left it up here and went back up. The moment it went back up till here, and I was like, okay, the price is gonna go up after this, and I started breaking even the trade and came back down. Never took stop loss after that, and just started booming up. Anyways, I took another trade after here, and it started me out again. And look at that! Look at that! Look at that! It just pumped up and hit my take profit. That was the first trade. Should have kept my stop loss up here, and should have let it. Should have let it. Should have set and forget, and I should have set and forget. So if I would have done that, and I would have made a lot of profits. Anyways, we're still not down. Still not down. Still up. There is this was a trade. This was the last trade that I took, and it was up here. Yeah. Look at that. I mean, like once the price move up, and I was like, okay, this is going up to my take profit zone. Really negative. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Right. Oh, I actually was like not like interested in taking any trades after this because I was home, right? I wanna like I don't know what to do. I was like just in this mode of like, okay, what happened today? I was like thinking of like reevaluating it, and the price should respect all these areas, and like it should be going up, right? Uh, yeah, I know that the price is gonna go up for sure. It has to do, but this was the final take profit. And today morning, I was like in five lots and shit. I don't know exactly how many lots I put. It's like three to four lots, my average on a trade. So I was like targeting this area, and that already gave me like around 5 to 6, 1 to 2, 1.5%, like 1.5%. Yeah, 1.5%. And I was like, okay, I'm all good if I really take that trade and it's done. Like if I didn't touch my if I really didn't like use my hands after that, taking a trade, it would have been this would have been the only trade that I've been took today morning, and I would have been up by $500 anyways. It's all good. I lost 150 today morning. It was like $150 loss, and yeah, after that, I just took a trade, right? I took a trade. And it was up here on a 1 minute time frame. I didn't use any other confluence. I know. I mean, like you can really predict the market up here. If you have the vision that I have, the price is gonna go to this zone. I know for a fact that it's going up there. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I know the price is gonna go up here. Um, who cares? I made money out of it. I followed the risk management and shit. It minus was the same, and there's trades were like break-even trades. That one was a break-even, that one was a break-even, that one was a break-even up here. And the last trade that I took was up here, and I didn't do anything after that. You can literally see what I've done. I literally wrote myself a message that if the alarm goes, don't fucking open. Bro, I'm talking about that type shit, bro. Literally, this was taken and I closed it up here. I know the price is gonna go up here, and I really wish I could explain it how. I can say that's liquidity guys up there. I mean, a lot of people like hate ICT would be like, bro, it is working. It is actually working. What can I do? It is actually working. If you actually put in the work, if you actually love the fucking, you can really identify the liquidities, and you can just take a trade like this. I mean, it's all up here. It's all up here. It's not about the time. It's not about the session. It's not about anything, bro. It's all about this. This you have to have this in order for you to like catch these kind of moves. I cannot do this. I cannot hold the trade like this because I'm not strong yet. Like, look, I mean, once the price come up here, I want to close the trade. Literally close the trade. I don't want to be anywhere. I actually was breaking even the trade right up around here. I mean, I didn't break in the trade. I just let it out, and just do see what happens. I just set my take profit and stop loss. That's all. And I had another alert up here. If it comes here, close the trade and don't look back. Okay. So with that goes off, I was like, oh, please. I was like praying to God that don't be this alarm. All right. I was like thinking of it, and hopefully it was this alarm. And when I came in, I saw this huge candle, and I put my stop loss up here. And after that, I didn't even touch it. This was my take profit. That was my take profit, and I'm out of the market. And I was like $300 up. So I was like $500 on the day start of the day, and now I'm up $100. So which means it's also a winning day. And I don't really know why I don't see my executions up here. I don't know why I don't see my executions up here, but I can see all the executions up here. Good. The good thing is that I have everything documented. I've documented everything that I mean, the trades that I took has been documented. Uh, I don't know, but look, uh, it's okay, right? Like actually made profits today. That was a good freaking trade, to be honest with you guys. This trade didn't hit stop loss. It took all my take profits. And it should have been there. Like, I should have not touched it again. It's all up here, right? I cannot sit through the street. Uh, I just set my take profit stop loss and I just left. And that's the reason why I've returned a message that don't fucking open when the alarm goes off, right? So why I took this trade, resting liquidities above. Definitely, these are liquidities. These are liquidities. These are the liquidities, and the price is being super volatile, and it came back up. So, which means price is gonna go up. Take all these liquidities because of the volume. Volume says it all. When you have a strong impulse move like that, when you have a strong impulse move like that, definitely your liquid draw on liquidity is going to work out. Telling you. So again, I see this, right? This fair value gap, and I was like looking for sales after this. I really don't know something in my ears telling me to buy. Something in my ears telling me to buy, and I bought it up here and set my take profit up here and set my stop loss. It was like $58 stop loss, I guess. Yeah, 58. I guess 58. Mm, it reached up my take profit, and I am happily out. And this week has been also good for me, uh, apart from Tuesday. So let me show you. Let me show you. This was today's profits. I really don't know why it is like that. Why it's showing up like that. But hey, look. I don't know how to see account balance history. Okay, I was like down 156. See, yeah, this was like 20th of June, right? But this says 19th of June because trading works all over the world, right? So that's just New York's time. So probably in India or like in Asia, the market will have already been opened. And yeah, this was it. This was it. I'm okay. I'm good. Performance all good. I just have to download this PDF so I can journal it. Anyways, I'm using ChatGPT to journal it. So two ways. End of the day, journal getting done. Journal is more effective. And I can go back and see that, rectify my mistakes. And also, I did notice one thing today morning, and it was what was it? What was it? Oh shit! This is the reason why I wanted to write it right away, bro. I really don't have any idea. I really don't have an idea. That was like super, like a good um thing that I have should have written it, but I forgot it now. I really don't have. I really don't remember that. But that point was super valid, and in it was I don't know, but that point was really valid. But I'm trying to remember it, but I cannot remember. Uh, Nothing, literally nothing identified. John liquidity. Everything was placed in 1 minute. And I'm not even joking. This was a trade taken and made profits. I made profits from that. Uh, how much marks do I give for my discipline? Mm, 2 out of 10 because I should be closing my laptop around here. I shouldn't have opened after like 1 o'clock and traded. I took a trade and it stopped me out for like $20, I guess. I was not risking more than one contract. I was just having one contract on that trade because I just wanted to like I know I mean, like this is going up, right? This definitely has to go and take these liquidities. If I want to explain it, I mean, like I'm telling you, this is strong liquidity and shit, and it's going up. It has to go up and also take it down. I mean, like these kind of liquidities, daily lows, everything has been swept. Everything has been stopped. These are stop loss. I mean, stop orders like stop loss, actual stop loss. Might have been traded. This was the market open. I should have got these moves. I should have got this move. Yeah, look, yeah. I'm telling you, right? Once the price inverses this level gap, should have entered right up here. Kept my stop loss here. Never came back. Never came back to my stop loss again. Right? And I could have just targeted this zone, called it a day, and I would have walked away. I shouldn't have waited for this move to get completely done. And after that, there was no volatility. Look, I don't know for a fact. I mean, like the market was like frozen for like 5 minutes, 5 hours today. So that was the last trade that I took. And after that, directly 6 o'clock is 5 to 6 hours. I don't know what was that, like some shit. So yeah, yeah. If this thing is not coming up, probably this first initial entry would have worked out, and the volume would have started kicking in, and the price would have gone up just like this. It should go up like this, go up like this, go up like this, and it would eventually hit my final dollar 50. Even yesterday, it happened. The same shit happened. I can show you. Yeah, I can show you yesterday. Right? Everything's been documented. Look, Sigla by liquidity has been swept, 15 minute value gap, and I also have an inverse. Put this straight up here, like, sell side liquidity, and that was my final drawn liquidity. I was having 5 contracts on that trade, so that's the reason why I couldn't let that trade run up till my final drawn liquidity, or else like I would have breaking the trade and shit, like I would have managed it in a different way. But look, I should not, and I cannot make more than $500 because of the consistency. So all good. Winning week, um, I would say. So let's see how much do we have on this week? Let's go to month. So it's like 650. I'm good. I'm really versed. I mean, like I'm not that good at math. Um, wait a minute. It's like 131 plus 446 plus 259.58. It's like 837 and minus 650. 650.9. So this is my actual profit of the week. If I didn't trade on Tuesday, it would have been much better. But hmm, you know, I'm really dumb on that. If I didn't actually take it, I mean, like if I didn't trade today on Tuesday, I know Tuesday market it's been trashed out. Let's go see Tuesday. How was Tuesday? Tuesday was like the fucked up day. Bro, look at this. Look at this. How many trades? 8 trades. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Somewhere around here, I might have taken some more trades. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, and that one was the last trade. 8. Got stopped out and break even. Uh, Anyways, we are good for the week. Tomorrow's Friday, so Friday. I won't recommend myself to trade, but if I am free or like if I really have time, I would definitely open it up and look into the charts. If I look into the charts, definitely I'm taking that trade. So uh, probably some sort of good energy blocks me from trading tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, good day. So let me just go ahead and take a snap out of it. And done. So all good. You got it in. Everything is God. Everything is on God. Trust God. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself more than anything. Always imagine that you can achieve anything. And that's gonna take you to places. Adios.